Now, let's understand that how vaccine is produced by acquired immune response. Dr. Edward Jenner observed that cow has a form of pox similar to smallpox. Dr. Edward Jenner also notes that milkmaid acquired cowpox only on hand, and they appeared to be immune to smallpox. Dr. Edward Jenner deduced that the cowpox was closely related to smallpox and could be used on patients to provide protection similar to that of the milkmaid he had seen. Dr. Edward Jenner took scraping from cowpox blister on the hand of the milkmaid and inoculated them into a boy who had not smallpox. He developed minor symptoms, but remained healthy. After a few weeks, the child was exposed twice to pus from an active small lesion. He did not acquire smallpox and appeared to have immune protection. Dr. Edward Jenner went on to inoculate 23 other test subjects with cowpox. For the first time, he used lesions from one child to inoculate another. All subjects remained protected from smallpox. So, we can conclude that by injecting a harmless form of a disease organism, Jenner had utilized the specificity and memory of the acquired immune response to lay the foundations for modern vaccination. Vaccine is derived from Latin word vacca, means cow. The strategy is to prepare a non-pathogenic form of the infectious organism or its toxins that still substantially retains the antigens responsible for establishing memory cells and protective immunity. This procedure can be done by using killed or live-attenuated organisms, purified microbial components, or chemically modified antigens. So this was all about today's video. Stay tuned to sqadia.com for more precise and knowledge-stuffed videos.